How about some chicken thighs grilled on the Weber after marinating for 9 hours in a really crazy idea that I had? I'll tell you all about it. You ever thought about making something different? Asked yourself, I wonder how it would be if I tried this? Well, that was me the other night. So I decided I was going to take some apple cider vinegar. I was going to take some olive oil, Texas olive ranch. Going to use some honey, locally gathered. Then I was going to use some garlic pepper, orange pepper, mango habanero rub, and finally a little bit of sweet tooth topping. I was going to mix it all together and throw a bunch of chicken thighs in it for 10 hours. So like I said, the chicken thighs sat in the marinade for, I said 10 hours, it's actually 9 hours 40 minutes, something like that, but they sat in there for quite a while. I've got the Vortex fired up on the Weber outside and letting it get up to speed. I'm going to put these on there just like they sit. I'm not going to dry them off. I'm not going to trim up this little extra stuff. I'm just going to see how it goes. So why don't y'all run along with me on this experiment? See you outside. So just what's coming off of this hot grate is already smelling pretty good. Really got high hopes for this. I'm thinking with the, the citrus-based mango habanero. Not sure. I don't know. I don't think mango's citrus. Either way, I think with that, and then the orange pepper rub and such, this should be pretty interesting. Somebody asked me why I put the sweet tooth in there. Why not? It's got a little cinnamon in it. It's got a little sweet in the back with the apple cider vinegar and stuff I've got in here. It may need a little bit. We'll check on them here in a few. We're about 15 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and check on it. And I know if I'm looking, I ain't cooking. But like I said, this is a new recipe, so I kind of want to see what we're going to do here with it. Do a quick check. $114. So definitely getting crispy around the edges and stuff right in here. I'm kind of digging that. It's going to look. We're going to see. I don't know if I'm going to end up with a rubbery skin or if I'm going to end up with a bite-through skin, but as long as it's sat and as much stuff as I got in that mix, it should taste pretty good. So we'll check it again in about another 15. 30 minutes in. Steady rocking along, 450, 470, somewhere in there. Oh, I bet you these boys and girls are about to be done. We're going to find out. God, it smells awesome. Can't wait to see how it's going to be. Yes, we have hit the magic numbers here. About 175, 180 all the way across the board. Oop, right on the bone. Don't do that. So, I'm going to go in and get the pan them up. Go inside and see what they look like. Let's see what we got going on here. Yes. Smell terrific. Like the color too. I didn't use any wood to smoke with tonight. I just went straight charcoal. So I really wanted to see what the flavor profile of this was going to be all on its own, and I think I am not going to be disappointed. Yeah, maybe disappointed that skin. It's not going to be a bite-through skin. That's because of the way that's the marinade I did, and I didn't let them dry afterwards. I just put them straight on to see what we're going to have. So, see y'all inside. Got them in the house. Got me a Dixie plate. Oh, this looks like a good volunteer. First things first, let's check that skin. How'd that work out for us? Skin is what I figured. It's going to be a little rubbery. We'll get some crispy around the edges. But big thing I want to know about is that meat that's in there. Let's see if we can get, still pretty hot, but I'm going to try it anyway. Yes, boys and girls, I think we might have a winning combination here. I'll post a full recipe at the end of the video, and if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all take care.